Hi, this is the Realme C51 and I'll show you how to customize AoD option on this device. So first we should open the Muviz Edge application. So let's open it once again. In AoD section, select one from the available options and after that tap to apply. You could change or add the backgrounds of the stem. Just tap to apply on the right down corner. You could also hide music controls after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them, to show notifications and the date with the help of the switchers, and to show battery status always while device charger or never. Let's go back, switch AoD to the settings, and here click to always on display. We could activate and turn off this option by click on the switcher on the right upper corner. Here we could show the battery status, show the AoD on lock screen always while device charging. On music we could use this option separately altogether. Also we could just switch the brightness level to decrease or increase it, just to change the AoD timeout from 5 minutes, from 5 seconds to never, to use in low power after, to change the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it with the help of the fingerprint on screen off, to set the shadow like the start and the end time of the AoD option, to use the burn-in protection, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable the calls this option during the calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.